In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI agent for your Shopify store to get personalized product recommendation with AI. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is creating a free LiveChatAI account for your Shopify store. So after you create your agent, you need to customize the settings according to your AI configuration, widget customization, and conversation flow settings. After you complete the settings, you need to integrate with your Shopify store with AI actions. It gives us ability to get your product information and other settings you already have in your Shopify store. So simply click the add a new AI actions, then click connect, then put your URL. So it's so simple to do that. It takes only a few minutes to create your AI chatbot for your Shopify store. So after you added your AI action, it's ready to get personalized AI suggestion and more. So we can test it in the preview section. So I'm going to write, I'm looking for a gift for my wife. She loves black and design dresses. Can you suggest me according to that? So it's highly personalized request. Then LiveChatAI suggests me dresses. Yeah, voila. It's looking so simple, but it's looking good. So simply I can add to cart from the conversation, then complete the process. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next videos.